Welcome to my channel. Imagine a world where you travel at the speed of sound, where your suitcase follows you around like a loyal companion, and where even your footsteps generate energy. Sounds incredible, right? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into 10 cutting-edge technologies that are redefining our future. Let's jump in. 1. Mansory Flying Hypercar. Where luxury meets the sky for those who crave ultimate luxury and speed, the Mansory Flying Hypercar is a dream come true. This concept vehicle combines the sleek design of a high-performance car with the ability to take flight. Imagine cruising down the highway in a luxurious hypercar boasting cutting-edge aerodynamic features and a powerful engine. Then, with the touch of a button, the car transforms. Its wings extend and its tail section adjusts for vertical takeoff. Mansory, known for their high-end custom cars, is exploring the realm of flying cars with this futuristic concept. The Mansory Flying Hypercar represents the pinnacle of automotive and aeronautical engineering. It offers the thrill of flying combined with the comfort and performance of a high-end car. Imagine a future where the open road extends to the skies, offering limitless possibilities for transportation and exploration. While the Mansory Flying Hypercar is still a concept, it embodies the dream of seamless travel between land and air, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in transportation. 2. Hyperloop Trains. Imagine traveling from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes. That's the promise of the Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system conceptualized by Elon Musk. Hyperloop trains use magnetic levitation to glide through low-pressure tubes at speeds exceeding 600 mph. Companies like Virgin Hyperloop and SpaceX are pioneering this technology. The key advantage: it's faster, more efficient, and eco-friendly compared to traditional railways. By drastically reducing travel time, Hyperloop could transform daily commutes, making long-distance travel quicker and more accessible. While challenges like infrastructure costs and safety need to be addressed, Hyperloop technology paints a picture of a future where long-distance travel is swift, efficient, and even a little exhilarating. 3. Hydrogen fuel cells. Next up is hydrogen fuel cell technology, a promising alternative to traditional fossil fuels. Imagine a car that runs on water vapor instead of polluting emissions. That's the promise of hydrogen fuel cell. These clean energy powerhouses combine hydrogen gas and oxygen to generate electricity with water vapor as the only byproduct. This translates to zero tailpipe emissions, making them a game-changer for cleaner transportation. Companies like Toyota and Hyundai are leading the way with hydrogen-powered vehicles like the Mirai and Nexo. Additionally, hydrogen fuel cells have potential applications in heavy industries and even in powering buildings, offering a sustainable energy solution that could help combat climate change. However, challenges remain. Hydrogen infrastructure needs significant development with limited fueling stations currently available. Also, producing clean hydrogen requires further innovation to ensure a truly sustainable solution. Despite these hurdles, hydrogen fuel cells hold immense potential for a cleaner and more sustainable transportation future. 4. Self-healing concrete. Imagine a world where cracked roads and crumbling bridges heal themselves. The self-healing concrete project is making this science fiction scenario a tangible reality. This innovative material incorporates bacteria with a superpower: the ability to produce limestone, a key component of concrete. When cracks appear, these bacteria, dormant within the concrete mix, awaken upon exposure to water and oxygen. They then go to work multiplying and secreting a limestone paste that fills the cracks, effectively stitching the concrete back together. This not only extends the lifespan of infrastructure, but also reduces maintenance costs and environmental impact. Researchers at Delft University of Technology in the Netherlands are pioneering this technology. While the project is still in its early stages, researchers are working on optimizing the bacteria's efficiency and ensuring their long-term viability within the concrete matrix. Nevertheless, the self-healing concrete project represents a significant leap forward in sustainable construction, promising a future where our built environment can heal itself just like our bodies. 5. Footsteps technology. Ever thought your daily walk could power a city? This innovative concept harnesses kinetic energy from walking to generate electricity. Companies like Pavegen have developed tiles that convert the energy from footsteps into electrical power. These tiles are being installed in high footfall areas like airports, shopping malls, and even schools. Not only do they provide a sustainable energy source, but they also promote physical activity and raise awareness about renewable energy. Imagine walking down the street and contributing to powering the city lights or charging your phone. The collected energy can be used for various purposes, from powering LED lights and street signs to charging devices through designated station. Footsteps technology is perfect for high-traffic areas, and it also helps collect valuable data on foot traffic patterns, which can be used for better urban planning. While the technology is still evolving, Footsteps technology offers a promising glimpse into a future where our daily movements contribute to a more sustainable and interconnected world. 6. Robotics Suitcase. No more wrestling with bulky luggage. Imagine a suitcase that glides effortlessly beside you, navigating crowded airports and busy streets with ease. The Robotics Suitcase utilizes smart wheels that can climb stairs, maneuver around obstacles, and even follow you hands-free. Imagine setting your desired walking pace and having your suitcase seamlessly match it. This intelligent luggage companion features sensors to detect your movements and adjust accordingly, ensuring a smooth and stress-free travel experience. The TravelMate, a robotic suitcase developed by TravelMate Robotics, exemplifies this futuristic concept. While these robotic wonders might be a bit on the pricey side currently, they represent the future of intelligent travel accessories, making every journey a breeze. 7. Autonomous robots. Imagine a future where robots are not only working alongside humans in factories, but also performing intricate surgeries in hospitals and assisting with everyday tasks in our homes. Autonomous robots are highly intelligent machines capable of making their own decisions and acting independently without needing constant human oversight. These robots can navigate through complex environments, perceive their surroundings, and complete tasks with remarkable accuracy. This technology has the potential to transform numerous sectors, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and customer service. However, as autonomous robots become more integrated into our daily lives, ethical considerations regarding their decision-making processes and the potential displacement of jobs in certain industries must be carefully addressed. 8. Bird of prey drones. Nature-inspired guardians inspired by the sharp vision and agility of birds of prey, these autonomous drones could become invaluable tools for surveillance and security. Bird of prey drones mimic the flight patterns and appearance of birds of prey, making them less obtrusive and more efficient in their tasks. Companies like Clear Flight Solutions are using these drones to monitor wildlife, prevent bird strikes at airports, and even in agricultural pest control. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced AI, they can patrol sensitive areas, deter crime, and even conduct search and rescue missions in challenging environments. These bird-like drones would mimic the incredible capabilities of their avian counterparts. Their keen eyesight and maneuverability would allow them to navigate complex terrain and capture detailed footage. Additionally, advanced AI would enable them to make real-time decisions autonomously, responding to threats and situations as they unfold. Bird of prey drones represent a future where nature inspires technology, creating powerful tools for protecting people and property. 9. Future fire truck concept. Battling blazes with cutting-edge technology. Firefighting is about to get a serious upgrade with the future fire truck concept. These advanced fire trucks are equipped with drones, robotic arms, and enhanced water cannon. They can navigate through tough terrains and even enter buildings autonomously. Innovations like the Rosenbauer concept Fire Truck CFT feature electric drives, reducing carbon emissions and noise pollution. This futuristic fire truck is equipped with advanced sensors that can detect even the faintest traces of smoke or heat. These sensors are coupled with high-resolution cameras and drones, providing firefighters with a detailed overview of the situation. The fire truck itself is outfitted with fire-extinguishing robots that can venture into dangerous infernos without risking human lives. Think robots equipped with powerful water cannons and heat-resistant materials capable of battling flames from multiple angles. Additionally, AI technology can analyze the fire and suggest the most effective course of action. The future fire truck concept represents a vision where technology empowers firefighters, saving lives and property with greater efficiency and precision. 10. Hygroscopic Transport, trains that run on air. Tired of those pesky train tracks? Hygroscopic Transport proposes a radical alternative. Trains that run on a cushion of air created by special wheels that absorb moisture from the environment. Imagine high-speed trains gliding effortlessly across landscapes, unburdened by the limitations of rails. These special wheels would utilize a hygroscopic material that attracts and retains moisture from the air. As the wheels rotate, they create a thin film of water vapor between the wheel and the track, essentially eliminating friction. Researchers are developing systems that capture and store energy from water vapor, providing a sustainable and renewable energy source. Hygroscopic transport is still in the early stages of development, but it holds the promise of a future where trains can travel faster, quieter, and with greater freedom than ever before. This innovative technology could revolutionize public transport, making it more eco-friendly and efficient. And there you have it. 10 cutting-edge technologies that are redefining our future, from self-healing concrete to flying hypercars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Which technology are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.